y'all, today I'm going to show you how to add the Pinterest widget to your WordPress site. This is the tutorial I'm creating from my blog post I have here. I'm going to show you what the Pinterest widget looks like. So if you scroll down, over here is my sidebar, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and you can see I have my Pinterest widget right here. This is what it's going to look like. This is a great tool to have on your site. This can help people to drive more. This can help drive more traffic to your website and have more followers show on your Pinterest account as well. So to get started, we are going to be using the Every Morning theme that I've created. This is a WordPress theme. If you are interested in purchasing this theme, you can go to my website, which is studiomommy.com. Click on Shops, click on WordPress Themes. Right here, click on View All Blog Themes, and you'll see the theme is right here. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is grab the URL to your Pinterest account. So if you go to your main homepage for your Pinterest account, up at the top, you're going to see that URL. Let me move this down just a little bit. So you can see this is my URL here. So you just want to highlight it all, and you want to copy that URL. So the next thing we're going to do is go to our website. So we're going to use the Every Morning theme. So if we go to the WordPress dashboard to get started, you're going to go to Appearance and then click on Widgets. I want to place this Pinterest widget under my sidebar 1, so I'm going to scroll down, and right here where you see this plus icon, click there, and then type in Pinterest Embed. If you don't see it at the bottom already, just type in Pinterest, and you'll see that this is the block that we want to use. So I'm going to click on that. And then you want to paste that URL that you copied earlier from your Pinterest account. So I'm going to copy that URL, and then I'm going to click on Embed. One more thing I want to do is center it. So right here, this icon here is to align it. I'm going to click on that and then click on Align Center. Now on the back end, it probably won't align in the center, but as long as you click Update, and then you go back and view your site. So let's go back to the Every Morning theme. And we're going to scroll down. Over here is that sidebar. And then you're going to see that that Pinterest widget is here and it is centered. All right, I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, you can reach me at studiomommy.com.